Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you a project that we're just finished. Beautiful property around the West Hollywood area. And when we came here, they had some gates that were done. They were pretty new. They just were done, and they didn't like them. Whoever did the gates over here before, unfortunately, did a horrible job. And we came in and put in those beautiful aluminum gates that can be done only at Mulholland. Look at the finish, look at the quality, look at the handle over here. Everything is beautifully powder coated, laminated glass. We put a keypad in here as well. It is beautiful handle. Also an aluminum handle on the inside, so this gate can be locked with a bolt as well. So this is the electric strike over here. So this slip will open electronically once you punching in the code in the keypad. And if you want to lock it, let's say you leave the house for a weekend or vacation, you can lock this gate from both sides. So you have an option either for the top to be locked, which is a latch, and you can depress the handle and just get out. And you have an option to lock the bolt as well, just by turning the key. And you have a nice thick bolt that we lock that beautiful gate. Let's look at it from the inside. Really nice, really beautiful finish, and everything looks really nice. Everything is covered on the top. And this is the front gate, similar. We have a little button over here that releasing the strike, and then we can open that gate. And the same thing. Look at the beauty. I'm gonna get close to the color so you can realize this thing can last for years and years. No requirement for maintenance, only just clean up the dust, things like that, but not more than that. So if you like something that has extremely low maintenance, that's the way to go. Again, we put a keypad over here, punching in a code, getting in, the same thingy with the locking system. That's about it. This beautiful property on a beautiful street. Really nice. Thank you for watching. Avi Ben David at Mulholland Security, 1-800-5625-770. Have a beautiful day.